Okay, so today we are going to make a pumpkin craft. Let me show you mine here. I can find it here. It's moving. My stuff is moving around. I got a fan on. I need to turn it off. This was the one. See, it was my son's. So I did it a little bit different than the one in the picture, but we are going to make the one in the picture today. So the first thing we will need to do is you'll need to get your bowl here. We're going to mix up everything in. And then you'll need some measuring cups here. And we need some salt. And some water. And some flour. Okay. So, now we're going to scroll down so you'll see right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix up all of our ingredients. So let me get our flour first. So I'm hoping I don't make a huge mess because I'm doing this right here near my computer. So you're going to get a half a cup of flour. Let me see if I can get it in the camera. So then I'm going to dump it in my bowl. Dump it in my bowl here. Now, let me put my lid back on my flour so I don't make a mess if I knock it over. Then I'm going to do a half a cup of salt, and that is a lot of salt. So, we're going to be getting salt for a while here. Oops. I'm going to pause it for just a second. See. Okay, and I filled up my salt, so I have half a cup of salt, and I'm going to dump that in. And now I'm going to get my water. I need 1/4 cup of water. Give or take a little. You may want a little more, a little less. So we're going to pour that in. Okay. Now, you can do it with your hands and mix it all up. I am not one for getting all messy, I'm going to say. So, I'm actually going to do mine with a spoon today. So we're going to mix it up. I think I might need a little more water in mine. See, mine's not really, see, I don't know if you can see it. Mine's not really mixing up. It's kind of clumping up. Let's see, mix it a little bit more and see. I might need a little bit more water. I don't want to get it too runny though, so let me keep trying here. Okay, so I did need a little more water. I'm going to pour a little more water in mine. Let me try it. You want it to form like a ball. I mean, it's got to, it's got to form a, like a doughy kind of ball so that you can push your hand down in it. Ooh, this is really messy. Let's see my fingers. See if I can get them again. They got dough all over them. So we're going to mix it up. And it does usually work a little easier with your hand. I prefer to use a spoon, but you're going to have to feel it to know when it forms into a dough ball. Okay. So now, once you've got your little dough ball, okay, do it like this. Okay, I got to move my bowl because I'm not getting in the camera. Here we go. I was trying not to put it on my computer because I didn't want to accidentally mess up my computer, but here we go. Okay, so you're going to form it in a ball and you're going to flatten it out. And you want to actually save a little piece so you can make a pumpkin. And as you can see, oops, mine, maybe I need to flatten it out a little more, but mine is not quite as big. There's some, let's see if I can flatten it out some more. Okay, like that. Okay. So you're going to kind of make it roundish shaped. See? Now you're going to put it over on your sticky sheet. And then let's see if we can make us a little, I'm not the best sculptor here. Let's see if we can make us a little pumpkin There we go. I think that might be okay. See mine? I'm going to stick it on top of my pumpkin. Okay. Now, let me show you. We're going to put it on our cookie sheet. Uh-oh. And so this is the finished one, the one that's orange. So now you're gonna press your child's hand in the pumpkin so that you can have the handprint. And then we're going to cook it and we're going to paint it. So we're going to bake it for 200 for 3 hours. And then after we get done, you can paint it if you want. This one, because it's a pumpkin, I wanted it green and orange and then black so you could see the hand a little better. So if you would like to show your pumpkins in class tomorrow, if you want to make a pumpkin, you can show us in class tomorrow. Because with the exception of the paint, and you don't have to paint it, you should have, I would think you would have all that in your house. Salt, flour, and water. And you can make it. And they usually sell, the paint I bought is like the, I think it was like 40 cents maybe for the little containers at Walmart. So it was like $1.50 for the paint. I actually already had it, but I know when I purchased it for something else, that's how much it was. So, but anyway, I hope you have a fun time making it. And then tomorrow we can share them in class if you would like. So we can see how cute yours turned out. And if you look in the picture, they did a footprint and a handprint. So you might actually have to make twice as much dough because mine is not big enough to do that. Or maybe I need to work on flattening it out more because mine's just not big enough to do that. So, but anyway, it's a very cute activity that you can save and keep. So it's a great keepsake. So I will see you tomorrow and hopefully we'll see some awesome pumpkins. Have a good day.